due diligence,
yes,
and
please,
definitely uncover, as is our work as the fourth estate. So all things said and done, you seem to be hinting to the fact that commercial interests supersede the national interest.
Absolutely, this is a commercial government. The government of Kenya, led by President William Ruto, is a transactional government. It's a commercial government. Everything is driven by commercial interests.
Even while you
diplomacy, international relations, local issues, markets, roads, everything is commercial. E-Citizen, my friend, when we came in, the president was very mad that E-Citizen is in private hands. After some time, shares exchanged hands, and the president ordered that all government services be onboarded. He stopped talking about the private people. 70% of E-Citizen is owned by private people. Your guess is as good as mine. Ask Adil, he'll tell you who are the owners of E-Citizen, who is the owner of Fuliza. Today,
so they're the ones benefiting from that 50 shillings.
That 50, any time you say citizen, the Madrins at State House have your money. This government is a money-making machine, and there is no national interest. There is no concern for the people of Kenya. And we may reach a point we may ask the people not to pay taxes, because it is a government, everything is an enterprise. You know, there is nothing that is being done for national interest. And everything starts and stops with William Ruto.
So we haven't been